Imagine a future where humanity has become a multiplanetary species, colonizing other worlds. Now, imagine an alternative future where we have remained on Earth, focusing all our efforts on repairing our damaged planet with no guarantee of survival. Which path would you choose for humanity's future? Welcome to the ultimate dilemma of our time: Elon Musk's SpaceX versus the Earth itself. Today we're diving deep into the heart of this cosmic controversy. In one corner, we have the ambitious dreams of space exploration and the survival of our species. In the other, the pressing need to protect our home planet. Can we have both, or are we forced to make an impossible choice? To understand this dilemma, we need to look back. The space race of the 1960s captivated the world and pushed the boundaries of human achievement, but it came at a cost, both financial and environmental. For decades, space exploration has been criticized for its environmental impact. From toxic rocket fuel to space debris, our journey to the stars has left its mark on Earth. Enter Elon Musk and SpaceX. With a vision of making humanity a multiplanetary species, Musk has revolutionized the space industry. But at what cost to our planet? Founded in 2002, SpaceX has a clear mission: to revolutionize space technology and enable the colonization of Mars. And they've made incredible strides towards this goal. In 2015, SpaceX achieved the seemingly impossible, landing an orbital rocket booster back on Earth. This breakthrough in reusability has dramatically reduced the cost of space launches. But SpaceX's crowning achievement is Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built. In 2024, Starship completed its first fully successful test flight, reaching an altitude of nearly 130 miles and speeds over 16,000 miles per hour. Elon Musk celebrated this milestone, tweeting, "Despite loss of many tiles and a damaged flap, Starship made it all the way to a soft landing in the ocean." SpaceX's success hasn't gone unnoticed. NASA has chosen Starship as its preferred lunar lander for the Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the Moon and eventually to Mars. With over 50 human launches to space and the revolutionary Starlink satellite network, SpaceX has truly transformed space exploration. But the progress comes with a price. While SpaceX reaches for the stars, concerns are growing about its impact on Earth. In 2024, the Environmental Protection Agency fined SpaceX $175,000 for environmental violations at their Texas launch site. The massive engines and launch pad deluge system have significantly impacted local wetlands and wildlife. But it's not just the immediate area that's affected. Each rocket launch releases a cocktail of chemicals into the atmosphere. While the overall contribution to global emissions is currently small, increased launch frequency could change that. As one environmental expert puts it, the damage to these ecosystems could be irreversible. We're talking about the destruction of habitats that have existed for thousands of years. In August 2024, Texas regulators found that SpaceX had repeatedly discharged pollutants into or near bodies of water without proper permits. The company was operating with a stormwater discharge permit when an industrial wastewater permit was required. These violations could jeopardize SpaceX's plans to increase Starship launches from its South Texas facility. The company aims for up to 25 launches and landings of Starship and Super Heavy rockets at Boca Chica. But these environmental issues could delay approvals and lead to further fines or investigations. So here we are at the heart of our dilemma. On one side, the survival and expansion of our species into space. On the other, the preservation of our home planet's delicate ecosystems. As the legendary Carl Sagan once said, "Extinction is the rule. Survival is the exception." Is becoming a multiplanetary species our best insurance policy against extinction? But what good is saving humanity if we destroy the very planet that sustains us? Climate change already threatens our future. Can we afford to divert resources and potentially cause more environmental damage in pursuit of space exploration? The clock is ticking. We face threats from asteroids, climate change, and our own technological advancement. The question is, can we find a balance, or must we choose between the stars and our home? Let's dive into the differences on both sides of this cosmic debate. Space advocates say that becoming a multiplanetary species is our best insurance policy against extinction. The environmental costs now are minimal compared to the long-term benefits. Space exploration drives innovation that can help us solve Earth's problems. On the other hand, environmentalists insist that we need to focus on saving our home planet first. The resources spent on space exploration could be used to combat climate change and preserve biodiversity. We simply can't risk further damaging Earth's ecosystems. The reality is, we need both. Space exploration has given us crucial climate monitoring tools and technologies that benefit life on Earth, but we must find ways to minimize its environmental impact. So how can we balance our cosmic ambitions with environmental responsibility? Here are some potential solutions. 1. Invest in greener rocket tools and launch technologies. 2. Implement stricter environmental regulations for space companies. 3. Use space technology to enhance Earth observation and climate monitoring. 4. Develop space-based solar power to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. 5. Increase funding for both space exploration and Earth conservation efforts. Even Elon Musk has acknowledged the need for balance, stating, "I think we should really do our best to become a multi-planet species and to extend consciousness beyond Earth, and we should do it now." But he's also invested in sustainable energy solutions through Tesla and other ventures. Now we want to hear from you. If you were in charge, how would you balance space exploration with environmental protection? What sacrifices would you be willing to make for humanity's cosmic future? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to vote in our poll. Should we prioritize space exploration or Earth conservation? The choice between space exploration and environmental protection isn't easy, but it's one we need to grapple with. As we stand on the brink of becoming a multiplanetary species, we must also be stewards of our home planet. If you found this video thought-provoking, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest questions facing humanity. Remember, the future is in our hands, both on Earth and among the stars.